Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. The most legit way to earn free Robux is through the official Roblox Developer Exchange program. This lets you convert Robux you've earned through game development into real cash. But you need to create a game first and earn Robux from players. Step 2. Join the Roblox affiliate program where you get a commission for every player who joins a game through your referral link. You can share your link on social media or your own platform and earn Robux when people click and play. Step 3. Participate in Roblox events and seasonal campaigns that offer free Robux rewards. Throughout the year, Roblox hosts special events where you can complete challenges and earn Robux directly, no purchase necessary. Step 4. Use the official Roblox mobile app promotions and login bonuses. Sometimes the app offers free Robux through daily login streaks or special promotional periods, so check back regularly. Step 5. Be careful of scam websites claiming to offer free Robux generators. The only legitimate ways are through official Roblox channels, developer programs, or their verified partnership programs. Never give your password to third-party sites.